In this video, we're going to talk about the shuffle button, which some people might see and immediately think, oh, I can shuffle through different patterns, but it's not the case. This one is essentially creating a sense of swing in your piece, in your chord sequence that you've created. Let's hear what it sounds like. So I'll press play, and then I'm going to activate Shift, Shuffle, and turn this. In fact, I'll do that quickly. Shift, Shuffle, and if I start turning it up, it's going to add more swing. Start turning it down, it's going to add less swing, or even reverse swing. Let's see what happens. Let's get on 0, and it's flashing, so I need to exit and press play, and then I'll go back in. So here we go. Shift, Shuffle. Let's hear the change. I'll take it up to about 20. That's quite cool. Here it's quite a dramatic sense of swing in there. That's quite cool, right? If I want to stick with that, if I'm happy with it, hit exit, and I'm good.